and Oba Ibema Ndoni local government. We want to welcome you to this great flag of Elele Omok Road. It's a great and exciting change to the people of government that hey, long over this road we have come today to flag was one of the instigated for this road and MPD in 2023. 2003. And His Excellency, because of the great commercial value of this road, at a point, this road was not a road that's measurable for any commercial business or people to use. But you, when you came into office after a couple of years, you graciously agreed to award this road to Canberra Construction Company. We want to really relate unto you, His Excellency. We, the people of Ikwere, more beneficiary Elele community, are going to be beneficiaries of this road that you are commissioning, that we are going to flag off here today. I want to stand on behalf of these three local governments we have mentioned here to tell you, His Excellency, because of your boldness, because of your magnanimity, to make sure that you put a smile in the face of Ikwere, Emoha, and Oba, Ibema, and Ndoni local government. We want to assure you of an unalloyed support to you, and to tell you that the people of these three local governments will stand by you, come rain, come sunshine. I want to reassure you also that nothing on earth can make us abandon this wonderful project that we are engaged in. That is this movement of Simplify movement. And until when you direct us on where you want us to go to, we want to assure you that since you have also promised us that you are not going to abandon us, we will also not abandon you. I've shown you the greatness of the massive support you have in Ikwere, in Mowa, and Oba, Ibema, Ndoni, by the massive outing that we have displayed during our Thanksgiving. And nothing is going to stop that, but rather we will increase in number to show you that for those who said that when, however they turn it to be, but we have an adage in the Ikure language that owo we say akalamu, and that stands to say no matter how little a child is, if he's being put in the throne of a seat, we shall all respect him for that office he's occupying. And I want to stand today to render an apology to His Excellency and the entire people of River State for some of our sons who have not guided their utterances and opened their mouth in the public to insult the office and the person of the governor of River State. They claim that they are people of integrity and they claim that they have pedigree. But we are brought up to respect a constituted institution. So any child that does not respect the office of the governor does not have and integrity. Neither does he have a pedigree. Because any child that has a pedigree, their father must have brought them up properly. Probably because they lack parental upbringing. That is why that pedigree aspect is missing. So I'm standing here today to say, Emo and local government apologize to you, His Excellency, and we apologize to the entire people of Rivers State for that utterance that came from the mouth of unguided elements. So we want to say today, count on us. You don't have anything to fear. When they push us, we'll push them. Already, we have pushed them to the ocean, and they can never return from that ocean. So thank you, His Excellency. Thank you. Welcome to these wonderful and good-loving people of Emoha, Ikwere, and Oba, and the local government. Thank you, and God bless you, His Excellency.